What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I played Fortnite. I did switch up the editing style of today's video. You'll know once you see it, okay? But other than that, enjoy the video. What is this place even called, bro? Anybody coming here? No? Okay, I got this whole place to myself. I can explore. Yo, why is the water so loud, yo? Okay. Coral Castle. That's the name of this place? Well, it does look pretty nice though. Hold up. Let me just explore real quick. Dang, look at these things. These are brick. Chest here. Good. I'm not used to like the chest locations. Hey bro, how you doing, bro? Hello? I come in peace. Hey bro, it's fine. We can go together. We can rotate together, okay? We can rotate together. Rotate. Yo, I don't know what's wrong with my lobby, but I'm liking it. Hey, you again, kid. I just need this bandage real quick. You want the beam? You want to play Bloom Fight, huh? You wanna play Bloom? Pull up. Homie had a scar for me too. He had a pump. Hey yo, this man stacked the loot. Don't peek. Why you peek? You're scaring me, yo. Oh, he's a sweat. He's a sweat. He be playing too much Fortnite. I'm dead. I'm dead as hell. I'm dead to the storm. This game trash, bro. How about this? This time we land somewhere that the storm won't mess me up. We're going back to Coral Castle. Let's make a little detour because since there's two people going there and I can't contest them because I'm scared. Let's land right here. Let's see what this is. Oh my god, it's a Go Next Week one in there. Oh, see? I landed here and it gave me a purple pump. Okay, let's take this XP. Oh my god, that's a lot of XP. Minis! Hey! Yeah, we're in the whip now. Turn on the radio. Let's go.
You can't cross me again.
Copyright. I know Rockstar be sounding good right now in the car, but like, we can't play that here, yo. That guy look good. That guy uses bouncers. I should not contest him. If you can use your bouncers, you're a sweat. Okay, only sweats use those. Nerd. We're good. He had no mats. He had no mats and he pulled up on me on the Lambo. How dare he? Yeah, I shouldn't kill this guy. I should not attack this guy. Give me your mats. That's all I need. Where your mats go? Where your mats go? You should have disintegrated. There's some. Oh, no one has mats. If he doesn't shoot me in the back, then I'm good. You just had to shoot, huh? Hey, don't shoot me. I won't shoot you. I'm unarmed. Yeah, that's what I thought, kid. Cover up yourself next time, bud. I can chill here, it's fine. Why are you shooting at me? What did I do? I see you peeking. Don't you dare shoot me. So I thought, kid. He's still trying to push me. But you know I ain't there no more. Oh my god, yo, there's a lot of loot here. Let me just quickly. Yo, whoever got that RPG need to chill. You, sir. Chill. Oh, yeah, that's not bad. Did this guy land on top of me or something? Whoa. Where my frames just go? Why am I running this game at 40 FPS? Okay, I'm just gonna get away from the helicopter causing. I'm just gonna fight it with 40 FPS. Input delay is massive. Can I have my FPS back or something? You just don't want to give me back my frames. I need to break that helicopter. My frames went up. Nice. I hit my DPI switch. Oh my god. I was like Benji Fishy for a second there. Why you gotta shoot me? What did I do to you? Stop. 3 people left. Okay, I know exactly where they are. One guy there, one guy over there. Seriously, what did I do to you guys? I'm just farming, yo. I'm running quite low on wood. Dead. Oh, the other guy's over there. Sir? Let me just tell you something. You ain't winning. You need help with that again? Sir! You ain't winning, sir. You do have a lot of heals though, like, well, how come I don't got that many heals? You want to heal up again? Oh wait. You ain't winning, just like leave the game or something. Like I can just sit here all day. You do have a lot of health, huh? I need to heal this time. Do I just end the video here? Hopefully you guys enjoyed me doing absolutely no challenges, absolutely nothing. Literally this video is just me playing Fortnite. That's all I did. See you guys in the next one. Bye!